Welcome to Drass Mechatronics and Machinery Private Limited, exporter and importer of industrial machinery. The company was incorporated in 2004 at Bengaluru. We have spread our wings to West Africa, Southeast Asia, and other countries. Transparent business dealings, customer-friendly approaches, and international quality standards make us the first choice of our clients. We offer a wide array of vertical, double column and gantry type machining centers. Our electrical discharge machines, high-speed, and axis gantry machining centers are best in the industry amongst others. We are one of the trusted names of the industry engaged in offering genuine quality CNC grinders and surface grinding machines. We are offering a top-notch quality range of automatic grinders and vertical turning lathe machines. Our clients can avail from us an exquisite range of horizontal boring machines and double column machining centers for automobiles that are cost-effective. Along with that, we offer surface grinding machines for heavy fabrication and electric discharge machines for aerospace industry. To know more about us, please visit our website www.machiningcenter.co.in.